Alright guys, good morning. What's up? Today I've got something special and new. Got a new brand of pedal commander I'm going to try on my truck. I have a 2015 Ram 2500, and yes, it is deleted and it does have a tune, 5-stage on the fly tune. So this is the product right here. I'm going to test my truck right now. I'm going to do a 0 to 60 speed test, and on stage 3, which is basically like a little bit over stock, not much. We're gonna test and see how well the throttle responds without this pedal commander, and then I'm gonna do another one with it. So y'all just bear with me and we'll get the test done. And the reason I'm doing this is my truck is better, faster, which I'm not big into the whole racing thing and none of that, but you know, everybody knows Ram for being a lag from the foot pedal. So my buddy introduced me to this right here, which is his dad's promoter for it and selling it, which I'll leave a link in the description and ways for y'all to look at it and check it out. Hopefully this video helps out. And I'm just gonna see if it helps my throttle respond a little better, and we'll see how she does. Alright, so I'm out here in the great state of West Texas that nobody likes. Yes, I work on the road. Ignore my coolant light, my TPMS sensor. The coolant's fine, I don't know what the hell's wrong with it, but we're gonna try the 0 to 60 real quick and we'll see how she goes. So I'm gonna load it up real quick. Tires broke a little bit, so all right. It's actually a little bit faster than I thought it would go. All right, so I'm gonna line back up. This is gonna be in stage 4 this time, which is supposed to be pretty well faster, but we'll see. It's a little faster, gives a little bit more black smoke too, but I'm also going to show the lag. So right now we're going 50, and I'm not very much throttled right now, but I'm going to stump it and we're going to see. All right, 1 2 3, and you can hear in the truck how long it takes to respond. It's pretty long. It's probably a good second or two, which is a long time in the vehicle world, if you know what I mean. And so yeah, we're gonna put this thing on now and we're gonna see how it does. Alright, so we're gonna do a little unboxing of this thing real quick. I tore it already, but it's alright. So you open it up, first thing you see is the instructions, which is pretty great. Let you know that you definitely have your instructions, and a user guide. That's cool. And I'm assuming this is the whole little setup here. Okay. Yeah, I'm assuming this connects to the pedal itself. Little tape and zip tie and a barcode. That's it for that. So this little thing pops out. It's got its name, logo there. Alright. So according to this book and stuff, this thing has a race mode and a sport mode, which I don't know the difference yet. I'll have to read into that. But I'm going to install this thing real quick, and if it's too complicated, I'll make a install video and post that. Alright guys, so I installed it, which was maybe a 3-minute process. It was actually really simple, and I haven't attached it yet, but this is the little commander thing. So right now you see the green light means it's in sport mode. So this thing is actually pretty interesting. It comes with 9 different levels of sport mode and 9 different levels of race mode. And the sport mode gives you up to 30% response, while the race mode gives up to 60% response. And it's actually a pretty sophisticated little thing there. You know, it's really small. I'm probably going to mount it right beside my little switch for my stage 5 tune, but pretty simple. Instructions are simple. You just press the button to change the mode, and then you can change the level. It's even got a little switch. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, that's for an automatic and standard transmission, which means you can run it on basically anything that I assume has a freaking connector for the pedal. But we're gonna test it again. I'm gonna just try level 9 on the sport mode real quick, and then I'm gonna try level 9 on race mode real quick, and then I'll do probably go from 30 miles per hour to a stomping the throttle, see how it responds. Then we'll see how it goes. All right, so right now it's in sport mode level 9. We're at a dead stop, and well, it made my truck burn out fairly, really easy. So let's try that again. Oh yeah. That's definitely a big difference. The only thing that I see wrong though is I have a service engine light on now, which, you know, it could be my tune. So we'll just ignore that right now. But that was definitely a difference for sure. It smoked my tires that time, which was kind of impressive because I have 35-inch Cooper MTs on it, and it just turned them things like they were nothing. So it's almost like this thing is another tune on top of my tune. So now I'm going to put it in race mode, and we'll see how she does. So right now, press the button. Now it's in race mode, level 9. And we'll see how it does. I can feel it. It's oh yeah. It's opening the truck up a lot more than, good God. That's crazy. Alright, so now I'm going to do a 30. I'll roll 30 test and see if it responds pretty good. See if I can get down to 30 here. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I would say it's responding a little faster. It still has that slight delay, which is of course the electronics in the truck saying, hey, you pushed my throttle, let me respond. But that thing definitely just changed it for sure. That's crazy. That is crazy. So I'm gonna end the video here and go check on my service light. Probably nothing. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, leave some comments. And I'll try to get back to y'all. Other than that, y'all guys have a good day.